Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Arduino or IoT based projects. So, we are doing a project called Weather Station. So, we need software and hardware. So, let's talk about softwares. Let's get started. So first of all, we need to download and install our basic need of software that is called Arduino IDE. So download latest version from description box. The code for our project is also present in the description box. It is too big, so I put it in description. So we need some libraries to run this project. We need an DHT, Explora, Liquid Crystal with I2C module library. So it is also present in the description box. Only download a V1 version of I2C libraries. Basically, computer communicate with IP addresses that present in it. So we need to find I2C address for LCD to so the code that find IP address is also present in the description box. When you get an hexadecimal value on serial monitor, copy and paste it if on two hash defined below that show in the video. Make sure it's correct, otherwise it don't work. And mostly make sure that you install a correct one libraries. This is you get error on this board library because this board library is stuck. So it's too big. So if you get an error, send me an error photo on my email and I solve the problem. So now I am explaining you a program that we make now. So first of all, it includes a library section, and there next is a pin section that we connected to a Arduino. This is LCD, I2C, and these are some variables that we include in our program. So this is our one startup setup. It only works on one time. So we use LCD at first time. So for our first introduction, we use this. It's my basically project, so I give you random names. So and this is mostly insane. It's print left to right, right to left. So what you not want. And here is the main program that we type. It work forever. It inbuilt it. So I give you delay for start function of electronics via item use. Here we contains some variables that we use in program. So this is int temperature, tan, hue, hum, temp. This is means we store the data into this temp and hum, and it prints on serial monitor, and we give delay for some work it done. Means the problems for this sensor is that most it's record time, and we set if and else statements. If the temperature is greater than this, so it shows that, and it start to blink or sounding like crimpy on raining possibilities. Some another if we use multiple if and else statement. So this is blink command, so a cursor that blink on the LCD, it's blink program. Just for fun we use. So this is temperature. If the temperature is greater than 30, it's called temperature. It works multiple times, repeatedly. After a couple of times that we give a delay. So here is our main program. Temperature, humidity showing that's in degree Celsius and percentage. And here is our best earthquake detector. We use accelerometer that inbuilt in Arduino Uno. Only Uno is that so we use in axis, some axis X, Y, Z axis. So we need to find some calculations in the serial monitor, then we put the values inside it. When we use if and else statement, we use a serial monitor. I set the calculation value of 702 x, y, z axis, some other, If the values is greater from this, means we feel when it feel vibrations, it starts to say us, alert, earthquake is on the way, run, 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 and it start blinking a red light and sound like a buzzer. So we give some delay for it, and next hour is our rain detector sensor. It's for your mommy, papa, or anybody else. So it's just a rain detector. Rain detector. The wet value it defines, and the dry it defines, like analog, live, and digital value. I use both of them. You can use one of them. I use both because I need both of them. So when there is a rain, means the value is greater. It's saying LCD shows caution, it's raining, and buzz will start, and LED blue means the water it starts to grow, and LED green is show because LED green shows that it's normal state. So this is our basically program. You need to understand it and play it. I see on the YouTube multiple problems got from the I2C module. So we need to cover it from I2C library. Open it from my document, Arduino I2C liquid crystal. So you need to open I2C IO.cpp. So click on right, open it, and if you see there is a wire dot h or something, only you see the wire dot h, it's your program is worked. If your program is not work, change it to the wire dot h. So this problem is basically solved. Next part is our hardware project. If you get any problem, so report in on comment section.